my house tour. I'm so excited to show you the house today. Come on in. So before we look at the inside of my beautiful new home, let's take a look at the outside first. Come on, let me show you. Okay everyone, so today you're getting a glimpse of everything because we are in construction. We are renovating, and yes, you're gonna see the befores and you're gonna see the after. I'm showing you everything, but today, everybody has been haunting me. I need to see your house, so today here's the video. So this is our outdoor pool area. Okay guys, so we are sitting on 2 acres here. We have a beautiful swimming pool. It's gunite. We have a jacuzzi and this amazing pool house. Yes, we have to put Rob and I finishing touches on it, but when we're done, it's gonna be fabulous. We got great bones in this house. We are so blessed that we were able to get it, and I can't wait to show you the pool house. And this is the pool house, and I am so excited about this house. I have a granite kitchen in here. Hello, granite kitchen in the pool house. So when we're outdoors and the kids are in the pool, Mommy, I need a drink. Sure, no problem. I can get it from my refrigerator. It has an amazing granite countertop, dishwasher. Look at this thing. I love this thing. I love this. It's great. So I'm actually decorating the pool house mermaid theme. We're doing pirates and mermaids. So as you see, I have a couple of things that I put in there just to kind of like decorate a little bit. This room does need to be painted. It will be painted. But come on in. I want to show you the other 2 rooms in the pool house. So this is the bathroom. And what I love about this bathroom, it has a shower. So if we have guests and they go in the pool, or if they go to the, you know what, I'm gonna save that for a little bit later. Anyway, here's our bathroom. They have full amenities here, which is really nice. And also, when a guest comes, let me show you the other room. We have a changing room. How nice is this? So they can change, go in the pool, take a shower. It's like a little getaway. It's like a little vacation, a little Cali resort.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true.
So I just wanted to show you my 6-car garages. These are the 3 main ones, and these are the 3 back garages. Okay guys, so there is a surprise. This is like one of the main reasons why Rob and I bought this house. So come with me and let's take a little walk-see, shall we? Okay everyone, come and take a walk with me. I have a surprise to show you. And welcome to my private beach that is literally 1 minute down the block from us. How amazing is this beach, guys? And that's what the surprise was. So you could actually go swimming in the ocean, come back to my pool house, take a shower, and get dressed. That's the best part of this house. It has 2 worlds to it. It has a pool aspect and a beach aspect. And we love the water. So that's why we were so drawn to this house, and that's why we're so excited for it.
You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true.
Okay guys, looks like we ran out of time to do the indoors. Sorry. Looks like there's a part 2 next week. So today was part 1 of the outdoors. Next week is gonna be part 2 of the indoors. The anticipated inside of my house will be airing next week. Enjoy everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video and help me get to 1,000 subscribers. All new video airing next Monday at 11 a.m. Bye-bye.